No, I'm not doing that.
Und?
Right, well,
Go on.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode in the Bag in the Munro series, and that intro was just an attempt at me trying to do an in-person intro, but there's too many people around, so I decided not to do it. But today we're climbing the Munro Ben Lomond, and according to the Walk Highlands website, Ben Lomond is the most popular Munro. But I think that's due to the fact that people who do Ben Nevis don't go on the Walk Highlands website to say they've done it, so that's probably why Ben Lomond is the most popular one. As you can see from the map, there's two routes up Ben Lomond. One of the routes is much more steep than the other, one's more gradual, so you'll be able to see the difference in this video. On this walk, I went with my mates Owen, who's a regular, and Stephen and Craig, who hate hillwalking, but I managed to persuade them into doing this one.
No.
Parking boarding tells us what.
Dan said 4 hours, but he always says 4 hours and then it ends up being 7.
Wait, hold on, I'm pretty sure you said the last thing was like 4 hours.
4 hours when you're at the bottom of the thing. Dan?
I had to tell them it was an easy one and a 4-hour walk, just so they'd come on this one.
Cut that bit out.
We decided to take the steeper route on the way up and the smoother route on the way down. The steeper route did have really nice views of Loch Lomond, but the route with the more gradual incline was definitely the better route all round.
You didn't tell us that, you said it would be a gradual incline.
I actually said it was hard difficulty.
The paths that do lead up to the steeper route are really nice, so I would recommend doing one of them going up and one of them going down.
that's the point.
Shortcuts!
Yes, please.
Don't matter this one, so I'll get it on video.
You can tell by our breathing that we did decide to go the steeper route first off. The car parking on this one gets really full really quick, so unless you're down there early, it's luck of the draw if you do get a parking spot as people come and go, because it is a one in, one out policy.
No, it's fine. Slow and steady.
What honestly happened to us?
For those of you that don't know, there is a population of wallabies on one of the islands in Loch Lomond, and they have been there since the 1940s.
Top one, Craig. Just.
Need some tunes. The Dan's and did the tickets online when we got there. That's what you get online. You get the link to Dan.
you a map, that's not better. Oh, get
If you are enjoying the video and you're still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe because I'll be posting a lot more hill walking videos like this one.
Yeah.
So we're now 3/4 of the way up Ben Lomond and we've finally finished the steep part.
Suck me.
Because he has to then go into the edit.
Yeah, they were doing that the whole walk just because they were annoyed that I managed to persuade them to come up the Munro. I highly recommend Ben Lomond just because of the rock structures and the views. It's just an all round really good and eye pleasing Munro.
Yeah.
Daniel?
So we managed to reach the top in just over 2 hours and 20 minutes. And as you can tell, the views weren't great from the very top. But at least there was a dog, so that makes up for it. As you can already tell, this route was a lot less steeper than the other route, so if you do get tired easy, then definitely take this route.
Yeah, go down.
Yeah, kicking up a nice today.
This is us now coming into the bottom part of the decline. This part of the walk is also really nice, going through the woods. It's also really nice in the eyes. I know. We ended up finishing the walk on bang on 4 hours. Did like what I said at the start, but I did think it was a way to be a bit longer, but we ended up completing it bang on 4 hours. And after the walk, we decided to go for a barbecue just at the beach down the road.
Dan, can we not just lift this barbecue into the back of your car?
Yeah.
Just light it there.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Give it that. Edit that out. Edit that out.
Right, now let's get into some stats. Like I was saying at the start, Ben Lomond is one of the most popular Munros in Scotland and it's 974 metres tall and it was my 28th Munro that I've completed. It took a total distance of 12 kilometres and it took 2 hours 24 minutes to get to the summit of Ben Lomond and an hour 36 to get back to the car park, in total taking 4 hours. I burned just under 5,000 calories and I did over 30,000 steps. The speed for this one is 4.5, the difficulty being half a star, scenery being 2. Now I think of it, I would maybe put it up to a 3, but an overall rating of 4, maybe 4.5 stars. Because you made it to the end of the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future hill walking videos. I'll see you in the next one.